Hi friends, myself Rahul More. I am from Sanatukaram National Model School, Latur. Once again, we have come together here to see one point from geography, that is the wildlife in the different continents in the world. Today we are going to travel all over the world through the geography book, and we are going to see the different wildlife in different parts of the world. First of all, we are going to go with Africa. This is the map of Africa continent, and most important thing is that we find different type of varieties of wildlife in Africa. So it is full with different type of wildlife. So let's see what type of wildlife we find in Africa. The Africa continent is rich in wildlife. So we find that is elephants. Okay, these are the African elephants, and these are little bit different from the Asian elephants, Indian elephants. These are very huge, and these elephants. Then we find these are hippos. Okay, hippos also found in Africa. Then this is pythons. Okay, pythons also found in large number, and most important feature of African continent is the apes. Okay, these are we find the apes in large number in Africa, and these apes are the most important feature, and we can say one of the important features of Africa continent. Then gorillas. Okay, we find the gorillas also in large number there, and next one is the chimpanzees. Okay, see, chimpanzees are also, there's just like the apes. Chimpanzees are also important feature of African continent and African wildlife. And along with that, some grass eating animals also find there. These are the deer, then giraffe, zebras, and stags. Okay, we find deer, then giraffe, then stags, and zebras also found in large number in Africa, and these are the grass eating animals and mostly found in the grasslands. Then flesh eating animals. Along with the grass eating animals, we find the flesh eating animals also. These are tigers, lion, and leopard, also found in large number. That is the tiger, lion, and leopard in Africa. Then camel and ostriches are found in deserts. You know that Sahara is the largest desert in the world, and camel is the most important animal in desert. So it is the feature of Sahara wildlife, that is camel and ostriches are also found in large number in Africa. Then after Africa, we are going to go towards South America. South America, it is Rhea is the flightless bird like ostriches found here. Okay, this is the Rhea is a bird is there just like ostriches, and it is a flightless, means it cannot fly. And after that, that is the condor is the largest bird of prey in the world. This is the feature, that is the condor is the largest bird of the prey in the world. Then anteaters and armadillos are also found here, and these are the ancient mammals in South America. These are the anteaters and these are the armadillos found in, and these are the mammals. Mammal means who give the birth to their babies. So these are known as the mammal, and these are the ancient mammals, and we find in South America. Then most again attractive or attraction of South America is llamas are found in the Andes mountain. Okay, that is the llamas found there, and this is the largest snake in the world, and many people also we know through the movies etc. This is the anaconda are found in the marshland. Marshland means there is the lot of water, mud, and the other vegetables are there. This is the marshland, or we can say also daldal. And this anaconda is the largest snake in the world and found in the Amazon forest and Amazon river also. Then other animals like monkeys, pumas. Okay, this is also an attraction is there. Then jaguar. Jaguar is also attraction of South America. Then giant turtle. We can see this is the giant turtle we find here. Very huge turtle is there. In India, we find the normal turtles are there, but this is the attractive is there. Attraction is there, and alligators are also found there in large number in South America. Now see Australia. Okay, we are going to move towards Australia now. This is the Australia's different features are there than the other continent, and these are the unique animals. Half of them are the marsupials. Okay, marsupials means what? Animals that carry their baby in their pocket on which is on their skin or pouches on their body, especially mother's body, mother's stomach. Okay, on the mother's stomach, it is known as the marsupials. Best example is the kangaroo. Okay, kangaroo is the best example. All of we know that what is the kangaroo, and koalas are also found only in this continent. Okay, kangaroo and the koalas. Okay, we can see in the picture. This is kangaroo, and it carry its baby in its pocket, which is on its stomach, and that is the koalas also found, and it is the most important feature of Australian continent, Australian wildlife, kangaroo and koalas. Then see another such type of animals are there, platypuses, then emu, then live bird, very beautiful bird is there, live bird, and that is the kookaburra. Is also one important animal we find, bird we find in Australian wildlife. So these two birds are very beautiful birds are there. Then after Australia, we are going to go towards Europe. Europe has very limited wildlife compared to other part of the world, but these are the most of these animals we find in the ice where snowfall is there, and most important feature is that they have the nature gift. They can protect themselves from the cold. So we find the wolves, then polar bear, very beautiful and very cute animal we can say. This is the polar bear. Then wild sheep, one of the attractions, and it is the antelope also found in Europe continent, in Europe wildlife. Then another animals in Europe are the minks. Okay, mink is there. Then sable. Okay, sable is also very cute animal. It seems very innocent, and one of the most again attraction is that is ermines. Okay, very cute animal is there, and we find the where snowfall is there in such region, and very European tourist attraction is there, that is the ermines. Now see, birds are also found. There is the partridge, then cuckoo, lark, then skylarks and nightingale. So such type of birds also we find them in large number in European continent. Then see, afterwards we are going to go towards North America, means America, Canada, in these countries. North America has very cold climate, so these animals have the very thick fur on their body to protect themselves from the cold. Then that is the reindeer and Arctic fox. These animals are there found. Then musk oxen, we can see in the picture, that is the musk oxen is there. Then again sable we find in Europe continent. Then polar bear we find in Europe also. And then blue fox, the color is bluish color is there. Blue fox we find in North America. This is also one of the attractions in North American wildlife. Then in other parts of the continent we find the moose. Okay, moose is there. Then that is the elks are there. Then bison, means wild buffalo like this. Bison is there, and that is the badgers also found in North America, these animals. Then beavers and hedgehog. Okay, so these are also one of the important attractions, and the animals are there. These two. These are the beavers and hedgehog. Very small animals are there, very cute animals. Then afterwards, in our continent, that is the Asia. Asia has extremely varied wildlife, especially monkeys, leopard. Okay, monkeys and leopard we find here. Then elephant, tiger, lions. Then that is the herons. These birds we find. Cranes also attraction of the Asian wildlife. Then deers, okay, bhalu, and fox. These are also attractions. Then we find the fur-bearing animals, especially in Himalaya region. We find lynx. Okay, this is lynx. Then mink. Then sable. We find in Europe also, North America also, and in Asia also. Polar bear, same we find here also. Then this is also Arctic fox. Okay, this is our Arctic fox, and musk oxen we find in Asia also, especially where snowfall is there. In such region we find these animals. Then Antarctica. You know that Antarctica is a humanless continent because climate is not suitable for the growth of human being. But we find that some animals are also there. Wildlife also found, but very rare. And most of the most important attraction, not only in Antarctica but every part of the world, many tourists go there just for the penguins. Okay, penguins are the native of this Antarctica continent. See here, then that is a snow petrel, is also very beautiful bird. Okay, snow petrel, very beautiful bird is there. It is also attraction. Then we find the albatross. Okay, albatross is one bird, and seal. Okay, so this snow petrel and albatross are the birds are there, and seal is also we find in Antarctica continent. Okay, so today students we saw these particular animals in different part of the world, but most important thing is that we have to conserve these wildlife, these animals. Government is trying at their best, but it is our duty also to protect these animals, because if these animals are there, then and then only we can say that we are human being. When we protect these animals, and in the real sense we can enjoy the nature, because without wildlife the beauty of nature will not be there. So thank you students. Again in next video we will come with the new topic. Thank you very much.